In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an arrow in TradingView. Now to do this, you want to go to the left here where you have your drawings panel, and of course if you don't see it, you want to enable it by clicking top left on your profile icon and then enabling this drawings panel over here. Whenever you do this, you want to go and hover over this one over here, which is kind of the brush tool, and you want to click on this arrow next to it to see geometric shapes. And then over here you have different arrows. So you have the arrow marker, the arrow markup, and the arrow markdown. So if I click on the arrow marker here, I'm going to click on here, for example, and as you can see, the second click is going to be the end of your arrow, just like this. That's the first one you can create. The second one is going to be just a basic arrow, which looks like this. There we go. So all of these are going to require 2 clicks. You can click once and then twice to actually finish the arrow. And then you have also the arrow markup, which is like this over here, and you have the arrow markdown, which both require just 1 click, okay? Of course, you can move these around wherever you want, and of course change them at the edges like this, okay? So that's how to draw arrows in TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.